Ebitera nkubirorawo kati obona.
Ebitera okubirorawo. So n'ebichweka ebindi alimu ebichweka ebindi ebituine but Uganda Wildlife Authority ekyakoragana na communities kurora nabyo abantu batandika kubirambura but era omulimo gumaye guba gw'amaani tiguli gwaruna kurumu mwaka gumu but aliyo n'ebichweka ebindi but we have not yet recommended people kugenda kurambura ebichweka ebyo because the chimps are still hostile. Betu bya friends of chimpanzee kati obona byo they are good to go musagena nimukoraki mbirambura.
Kuno aliye ebichweka ebirimo amaizi Kagadi.
Yeah, twine ati ebichweka ebindi ebitusakule katabalizeho. We have Lake Albert and you know the history attached to Lake Albert. Muitanzige. Enzige buzeyizire buli omu niwo nikyo Albert wagietera muitanzige. So twine Lake Albert we share a part of it. And ibokwana ogenda Lake Albert there are some other unique features like Kitebere escarpments or Sakutemba Rusozi Norora, the lake Norora obwira bwekiro it is very nice Norora, the lights abantu zibakolesa babani bavube byennyanja byabo. So bokwika hanyanja henyini there is also another life. Boika hanyanja mare nyanja zoika nogamba the life hanyanja Norora very unique, very different from life ya kuno eruguru. Abantu bali kudrying ebyenyanja byabo abakuchumba bagena amazing. So the life down there is so unique. Abakuruka ebitimbe ebyo byokwatsa ebyenyanja it is so unique. So another site twine mu Kagadi we have Karuna waterfalls. Waterfalls
amaizi
agakuruga mu lusozi gatini gasirimuka very unique. Hati ngombira bwenjura amaizi gaba gali mengi muno and that the waterfalls is part of Nguse River. So on Nguse we have three waterfalls. Twine Yeri Pachwa, but that one is not as strong as Karuna waterfalls. Then twine Ganwaga Karuna waterfalls bugaruga gongera gagenda paka mu Lake Albert. The river powers in Lake Albert. And Lake Albert tugeta Albert Nguse waterfalls. Iyo baitu girora abakusinga batembe eryato bakolesa eryato mboko yorede escarpments. And we share that one actually with Chikube. It acts as the boundary between Kagadi and Chikube. You also have Muzizi River. Muzizi it is between Kenjoja and Kagadi, but it's also unique in its own way. Nayo baito powering Lake Albert. So other
waterfalls is it attached to Muzizi?
Zero, but they are not as strong as Kunungus. Zero here. We also have another attraction that is Chirava Rocks.
Tutakagireyo katito. Nguse ina amaizi ga black niyo bamanyire nke ina amaizi agakwiragura. Waterfalls zino amaizi gayo galigata.
Aga Nguse.
Nakuga kuyuga gairagwire.
Basically kyo kwiragura I think ngeri tugamba the environment things are changing. Uja kusanga agakuruga mihanda agakuruga nkagona agakasasiro mo eitake ndio ligafora kuba kale gachafu kale gazoka ngamba chafu hapo ebintu ebindi bikusanga okusanga oli akulima akisaro bwakumara manya kwokya kasasiro na anaganka mukisaro. So I think to me nikecho chikwanchi koraki chireteze of recent we had
white
no eraga kusiga ebichafu bagagena ne bichafu. Of recent we had an event ya explore Bunyoro butwasiri mukire Kibiro. We found the part of Lake Albert Chibiro. I think nayo kabayo. Utwasirimukire, I think you saw the water. The same water as ile Lake Albert osirimukire Chibiro. It was very clean. Very clean. Abukusanga tukasanga ataliyo bantu bona bakolera yoki activities. Baitu hatigenda hanya hamuta showers ezindi on the same lake. You see the water with a different color. Habwe bintu activities bakwane bakoraki. So to me nikyo ngambira mbugo kusanga amaizi ago gali machafu biri bintu byabantu bakwane bakoraki ne bakolera ya.
Tulikira baroks.
So butukuba to another site with a unique history. It is Chirava Rocks. This is in Kagadi. Just half a kilometer from Kagadi town. And Chirava Rocks in a unique background yayo. First of all, the attraction, it has the caves. Caves ambayo mwanzo osagenda okaikara okahumura nenjura bwe kugweta kozereki etakuhikireho. And another thing about Chirava Rocks, it has a clear view of the town. Bokuboli Hakiraba Rocks, you see the whole town. And if you have binoculars, I think you can see every point of the town. But it is a unique. And people believe that it is said, Ibara Hakiraba Rocks, originating during those years, Mtaro between the Baganda and the Banyoro. So as they fought and fought and fought, one team yasingisendia amani. So baizire abanyoro bayeserekaga mu rusozi. Uko kwesereka mu rusozi no sobora kurora enemy wawe na akoraki enemy wawe na ija bokuboine there is a way they used to fight ni bakurora yeija ni bahungulira amacumu kale yakoraga nka viewing point. So ati na ibara kiraba omuntu bokwija harusozi no bano sobora kurora different points. So I think the name originated from there. Therefore kachiraba uko kuboroho no so kuba no aurora buli omu ya
Rocks ezo ziri kwika haiguru alo distance inkera kuruga hansi paka haiguru ha peak.
Yeah, actually that is a question is a bit challenging what tukazipimaga, but we always estimate to know point is risatu. There is the first point yo wokuruga hansi kwika point yokubanza there is around like 100 meters. 100 meters. Then yakabiri nayo tugibalira like 100 meters. Then yakasatu niyo tubara like 150 meters, making it 350 meters. Kuruga hansi kwika igura resource. Because from the second point to the third, how it is a bit longer. Yeah.
A third of a kilometer. Kuika haiguru ha peak ya
peak. Baitu abantu bakusinga baija busoya kalemererwaga. Because buli boyika point yemwe kusikiriza kuika yakabiri. No yakabiri aliyo. Bwa hikoli hayakasatu no atakaike na mwami stabo kuemera no norole town then
caves zile ya point era yenyini.
Caves zile ya point yakabiri. Because the first you just rest no ikara yakabiri there are some caves.
Ati bungu bakutunulize semwema. Caves zabe kizigati yabu kikwikaza abantu like 400 to 500. Zino caves za Kiraba Rocks zikwikaza abantu bayinga hamundo.
Ati caves za Kiraba Rocks they are not too big. Tusa kuzibalira abantu nka 40
nkoto.
40 because izo eza semwema zina ikizigati chikoto muno baitu zino zina buntu butito caves buntu butito tibuli bukoto muntu osakuikaramu but like 40 people.
Activities zikiezi tukusokolera apart from having lunch haiguroko.
Activities yokubanza most of the tourists bakora hiking niyo bakore yokubanza. They do photography, videography, we also do campings. With campings is kutera kuba muno
ati Kiraba Rocks indoze.
And actually we do parties, simple parties from up.
Kiraba Rocks indozere eina nkusokutembya yegali.
Atogitembya. But of recent tukaba twina activity abantu bakasanga yente bagambe ente zinu zikurabanka. Of course zente zimanuvaringa beto omuntu tosakoraki tosakuvugira yo galia
tinko gitwara iya
ukisini kosagisini kaito tosagivugo kakoraki osagisini kamani gabo kuvoga ine
ngona ngisini ngiyeyo then kusokusirimuka kurungi
atosobora kasirimuko ka amani
Nobanyina breaks za amani.
No ko ine breaks ze kuingana ngato kusobora. It is so steep. Yeah.
Hati tunole requirements zino nkwenda campinga rusozi hati. Nko muna Uganda. Kikunya how sente nga mayali yabantu aheruka bayina sente zawo.
Nibenda kuija
gukora ibintu nkebyo. Nagana nyoka ngenda alo mu rusozi nduralo na family yange bantu bana. Orundi nabanywani bange kikusoka costing sente zinga he tente emu nkanyomo na Uganda ni ndara.
Ogine obana yonto because because now we first look at hiring tents. Tent yo to zitandikira from 35 and above. A tent of 2 people, 35,000. Then at the services, we also charge per head 20,000. Because at our interview, we need to give you security. Umuntu tuinakurara ntubarinda because it is risky tuinakulinda. Then the other services to providing now, because like me, I have where I can put my people for breakfast, for lunch, and
tubanze tunule kikaro ki ekiri haihi na kiraba rocks kakusangwa ngenzere kiraba rocks tingwenda camping ayo ngenze nyarura na nkwenda garuka hansi kikaro ekindi haihi ekinkusokurara mundugire kula igurunji wahiri.
Okay, that is so good. Ekikale ekiro, of course, between our Africana campsite, Africana tourist campsite and guest house. Nikie ekikale ekiri enyuma y'orusozi henyine. It is just like 100 to 200 meters away from the rock. Yeah, kikugaba services za camping, kigaba accommodation, kigaba breakfast, kigaba lunch, kikusinzigira nyamukuba mwikiraniza muto. Kandi no muntu bakubagambire no tumazire hiking tusakurara harusozi, we can't camp harusozi, tujya camping Africana grounds.
Niyeri hayi muno.
Niyeri hayi.
Hati Africana yo eri nkusokurugira uningenda Karuna.
Yeah.
Actually, question eri. Can I do 2 activities at a go? Ugenda Karuna no kuja Kiraba Rocks.
Yeah, it is very possible. Because Karuna waterfalls from town, it is only 35 kilometers from town. Then Kiraba Rocks, we said it's half a kilometer. And in most cases, it ngeti chikoramu tusoka Karuna waterfalls. Abantu bagenda barambura bubarugoko like after lunch. Ni want to tukora hiking in the evening akasana kakozere kakendeire.
Karuna waterfalls. Waterfalls ezo habesi yazo hansi hano nkusokuta hamuni nabiramu umanyeza action zo maizi ga mani muno toso nambali kuno otakaikira falls tosokora ki kuteka ine kigere.
It is the same story.
Maizi maingi
muno era ogire mbwire bwenjura tosana kikiriza mbwire bwenjura gaba maingi muno abo kuba the rivers banizinyweseza hamuni nizireta to the main river.
You mean the most I can do Karuna is to see the beauty.
You see the beauty. You can't swim. It is very risky. Okuba bwokuziha okujja okwesanga mu nyanja muleka Robert.
Wewe example ya action. Just 50 meters away over
no feeling.
No foka wait.
True, it is the same story.
Nakuli.
Yeah, it is the same story. Obwire bwenjura tosakuika Karuna waterfalls hai. Yeah, and in most cases aboje tutubagamba bagende nengo yezikwangwa kuoma. Abokuba the more you get closer, the more you get wet. Kandi no muntu kwenda kugetinga the best experience. Oyendo ike yesimu bazirekayo kuli motoka engo yenkaite bikusinga babireka motoka then beja na simple clothes. But yeah, the more you get closer, the more experience, the more you get wet.
Hati mukozire trips ezigenda Karuna. Kandi bantu bayingi abandendeze naho kuika Karuna apart from action. Kikutwara sente zingapa ahead kuika Karuna.
Basically the way we do our services, manyire nsabutagamba kikutwara sente zinga aroko ngamba nyonkole the service.
As through the district of tourism.
Through the district
of just the receipt of kutwara transport eri yange.
Through the district, of course the fees are always not much. Yeah, but basically the best way you can package it is kusoka nyo kungamba muri bantu bayingaha mukwenda genda mbichwe kabira na bira. But the fees always not much because it's few things we basically pay the communities abakwikara mbichweke ebyo abakubani batuyambaho guiding those people. So the money that we always get correct is ziyamba those communities.
So no muntu wa hanse akugobora
because ebikusinga those sites ziri mu bichweka bya abantu and bukikwa kiri mu kichweka kyo muntu. There is no way you will just kutandika kusasuza when the owner is not doing what. Yeah, because basically we work with the community, we give this share to the community, this share to the community ni what.
Hati my domestic tourism of late bano ebaide etabaniza muno. Yet omujungu akuruga 1,000 or 10,000 kilometers naija just kurora Karuna tukoze tuta kujumbura okurambura halitwa abantu babuli kiro mu Yesu babihura karuneta hakuli baitu takakoraga takayika muli high like even Leohana mbali tuli it could be like 30 kilometers to there baitu okusanga taliho na yakatungaga interest yogenda.
We had a trip to Lake Albert baitu abantu bona banyatuwayireho 10% of those people never bangambire bali bamanyira Lake Albert no bali bakaikai. So to me one of the issues is equal is later that ekyokubanza is passion, love. Abantu we the let me say not we. So abantu abakusinga there are different things bikuba bani bibalemesa kurubata and basically it way the domestic tourists. Ekintu ekyokubanza the passion, love. Passion, love and omuntu kwenda kumanya ebintu ebiri obwaye biri bita oja kula enyanja eriyo nogambe eriyo tugihura mwitanzige eriyo tugihura myaka mike mwitanzige has been there for many years abantu nibagibazaho is a lot of history. Karuna has been there for years wetoli nagamba and gyayo mwaka gumwe ebiri. So and another thing I think also sente nazo tinje kyo betu kibazaho muno abakwa domestic tourism is not too expensive but basically passion and love towards our sites. Then another thing I think also we the office, the ministry and other organizations tukateire mu mani maingi muno kurora abantu ebintu ebibakoraki
babijumbire
tukozere kitukusobora but chikiabura mwero kimanyire kintu arobosanga nikiburamu. There is a lot of now like when you saw the explore Bunyoro the efforts that were put in abantu bagenda barambule ebichweka
ngo byali byabusa ministry tere mu sente sire basi
so naito abantu bano kubendesa ebintu bino. I think there is some other steps we need to take tugenda abantu otabagamba kusasula tagakoraki
barolo next time bali etwali
next time naona abana abandi 10 nagamba tugende na abandi 10 tugende. So we need to put more efforts kurora abantu
nyowe basically kugenda kibiro hoima wali mundu gwange gwa kasatu baitu nkabanda hile kutagarukayo but because tukagendera mu group basi hayi mukaga sonyagambo
and actually kintu kya influence kinake chikuru a big number nayo bosanga hantu tagge otali plans of game. You know traveling is so funny. Busakya nyencha kara hantu nibagenda nyencha. It is a Saturday, people are going to visit for example like Albert bali onoga nyoti nja genda but you know hura munywani wawe mfe na akuja genda programu zihindukiraho na
let me ask kamanze kaguze kibiro ina a trail omuhanda ogwo rusozi ogukwikia kilometer hayina
yena true
nobona no rusozi baitu no ramba ko
nyonka nkasirimu kanyagaruka na pikipiki ntagitembe ati bafite muno
Kagadi kuno aloho ekichweke kikwerenga kibiro
ekichweke chikwerenga kibiro is kitebere escarpments abo kuba nazo kandi hizo toine chance yo kutemba pikipiki
iboti baina na pikipiki
toine ogivugira
hata habi
tihali habi baitubo the setting you know now the setting of kitebere iyo it is more of it is alimwa mabale mainge ati okurubatira mabalo mono yambuka no jiroti
emotoka kugendayo
motoka nazo zine party yazo ziraba kyaterekera bena goti gukabeire yes zirabaye eza 4-wheel enkote za man zirabaye baitona pikipiki erabaye but when you use kitebere there is no it is more of walking okulibata yeah
okay
so there is a lot of experience kuba no rubata osanga abantu bahimbire ebintu hamitu
ati of course ati abantu nkabakibiro bakampuniriza bakazi bali batagana omunyo
iwa musaije ekipa ya amazing ekulemera kunanga so
kandi bus zikani zikiayika nabo nibahika twayabuza barabirenka baitu bakakamanyira
so and when people travel bakasanga ebintu nkebe baba so surprised
ati kanka nitumalira kandole kuno nkwetaga ebikaro bire byona ngamba tuine ekikaro ekitukusokororamo ebinyonyi then tuinayo ekikaro ekyobuhangwa kuno Kagadi tutandikise ebinyonyi
ebikaro ebikusinga most people birds, most unique birds and around water bodies and basically most of them can be found on Lake Albert shores. Yeah. And other forests, we have many forests, but however birds need specialists abamanyire those things, but we have many ebibira tuine Muzizi forest attached to Muzizi river, tuine ekibira kya Rwengeye forest, Rwengeye forest, tuine Katyobona forest. Yeah, then we have Kangombe, we share part of Kangombe forest. We share part of it. Okay. Yeah, but it is in Chivale, the biggest part is Chivale, but we share a portion of it.
Arona mbali nkusokoro lebisoro bindi nkengo ndi Kagadi.
Within Kagadi no. Unless kikitorokere butoroka mupaka.
Mainingaguza cultural site. Kikaro ky'ebyobuhangwa Urundi nambala abakama bazikire yabeira Urundi kuno hali ekikali ekikaro ky'obuhangwa.
Okay. Basically Ebyoburambuzi, one of the places I think we can talk of it is ambere activities z'obukama ezikusinga zakolerwaga. We talked of Chiraba Rocks. Basically during entaro mu bwire bw'entaro it actually in Jagamba, I don't know how we can phrase it, baitu amberi baikara agakora meetings zabo. I don't know abambaga command centers, but I don't know. Okay. How kukora plan, how we can fight our enemies. It is one of the places. So then ekindi ekikali ekindi ekyobukama, it is in forgetting the name. It is in Buyaga. It is these other colleagues of ours. I've forgotten the name, but Kiriyoko. This in the Hatialimu barracks yama.
Oh.
Bakieta Orubiri. It is Orubiri, those sides of Mpe, Ali Orubiri, Kiatereker. Yeah, that is Orubiri. I think those are some of the places is in a cultural value attached to it. Then the others are there by Tizine. There is no way you can tell to know how Kietanya Ruziba. People say, oh, Mukama Kabalega, Akanywera maize. During Montaro, so we have a lot of
abantu basabirayo.
No, it is just Yaroha Exaru, abantu again, but higher maize.
Ekandi kiraba alhabagena ni basabirayo rundi kolera yemikore abanyoro eminwa.
Yeah, that I'm not so sure about Pakabagiai. There are people those who believe in that Bagiai. So we have many places. Bulimo ebichweka birimbi but remember muntu wakuba wataize kugambia kishoka kyange kiro hano na hano nayo ni kikubera twike kikora kuchimanya.
Tubaze hakunyumirwa ukundi kuya okurora ensozi obunyizire kiro kwenda kunywa makasoda kwenda kunywamo akaransa ijahaza.
So basically hati Bokuleta that point, I think we can term it as a support. Yeah, we can say nightlife or we can say tourism support facilities because every facility plays its given role. Usagambo kwenda kuhumura, we can look at the accommodation facilities. Usagambo kwenda kuchakaramu, kugenda kuzinamu, we can look at the pubs, clubs, and some other happening places. So Kagadi ine vingi muno andi. For the last 5 years, Kagadi has been developing at a high speed. We have many accommodation facilities, tuinemu Seyeya, tuinemu Viva Courts, tuinemu Achiris, tuinemu Emirain, tuinemu Rovia, tuinemu Africana campsite. There are many who have Seyeya too. We have a lot of accommodation facilities. Zinde tuinemu Mohoro, Zirio, Heavens. Yeah. Highway, Mohoro Highway hotels, we have a plenty. Demo hotel.
Batamanyire Kagadi na Mohoro nkwetago banze okifore clear. abantu batekeeza Muhoro
is another district.
Kagadi.
No, it is one district. It is Kagadi district. However, ebichweka byona bigenda nibikura nabyo nibisa nebikora amabara gabyo.
Muhoro town council sub-county eriki.
It has a town council and a sub-county. Yeah.
Rubuga
rukuru naro rukura kale muno, and actually one of the attractions is amani zituine mu Kagadi is in Muhoro, that is Kapiemi nakati obona so hatingira nikyo kurolera ibara lya Muhoro nilikoraki
ati katukole low budget tourism tinsoboire kuba na sente zikupangise motoka nkusokoza tourism yange yona Kagadi kuno ekosokunyanguhira on public means
yeah, it is very fine. However, public remember public means the always tricky. For example, we said Karuna waterfall is 35 kilometers. You could dropping a mtauni motoka, then you need another service provider to do what? But it is okay. It is fine. Low budget na yo we can get low budget accommodation. Meals is a kasente katito and the service provider at a low cost.
Ati katumalirize nkwetaga ondagire abarozi aba Kitara TV obahe ubutumwa bwawe bokumalira.
For sure, every time I meet a team from Kitara TV, I'm always impressed because Kitara TV has been one of my team. I can say one of my colleagues went to Koranabo in promoting tourism. They have visited me many times to Katiobona Forest, to Karuna Waterfalls, Africana Campsite, Kirabaroks, and other many places. Mirimo yene kusinga to Jukora so nyongo gonza kubasima abo mutima ogwo kurora ebintu bya Bunyoro twabiteka mu amani twabipromoting, because when we make such programs zirubata zigenda hara. So nyoti imaenga insa kubasima baitu mwebale muno. So then na abarozi ba Kitara TV hona hamuli Uganda, outside Uganda, mwebale muno gonza Kitara TV, mwebale muno gisagika kandi mweyongera koraki ku following programs ayo ya no butumwa obundi nkura mukya director na team yaye yona mwebale muno.
Nitumaliza program mutebwa abaine mikoro Kitara Media Group bokuba ino mukoro kwetaga bisano kwetaga video inya abaina business kwetaga website kwetaga digital marketing internet aho Facebook haki abakwetaga storage services na backup abakwetaga aba models abakwetaga any events kind of related abakwetaga publishing obutabu mutebwa the one stop center eyebyo byona eri Kitara Media Group mukama balinde.